Dear students, we discuss the topic control statements from C programming language. Uh, so at the objective, we going to discuss about switch case, control structure, go to statement, and exit statement. So previously, uh, we already discussed about decisions, looping statements for while, do while, break, and continue. Now going to discuss about the topic case control structure. Switch case also is called as a multiple branch selection statement. Uh, it has a successively test value of expression against the list of integer or character constant. So case inside the case, either it should be integer or character. What is the integer? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are integer. Character is what? Alphabets A, B, C, either capital letter or small letter. So the value of expression in the switch case should be either integer constant or character constant. So expressions output, exponential according to this match is found, the particular corresponding statements will be executed. For example, in integer, is expression output result is 1, the case 1 x will be executed. Suppose if it's 2, the case 2 will be executed. So that is the no option like this 0, 1, 2, no numeric or alphabet. So what will happen? That is a default. Okay, by default the last case, so that the case will be executed to the default options. The default statement is executed if no matches are found. Okay, in this expression. So it output result of this expression neither integer constant or character constant. What happened? So this is um, this condition is not matches in switch case. So this default statement is executed. The default is optional one. If not present, that is means this is optional also. If we that is optional thing, we can add or we can remove. This up to you. Okay, this is not necessary and all. If you give default statement, corresponding statement will be executed. Otherwise, no issue. That is control will be exited from the switch case loop. Um, this is the switch case syntax and flowcharts. See switch expression case. Look at this. Not constant one, constant two. Either the constant is integer constant or character constant. So here set sequence of statements or statement body. After break is already we discussed. What is the break? So break. So once you particular statement loops that is break one executed. This is terminate the loop. Okay, terminate it is coming out from the switch loop. Okay, coming out from the switch. So next one is constant two like this. So default in statement. See the conditions. So case 1 black 1, case 2 like this. There is no case 1 and 2 3. What happen? The default statement will be executed. What are the rules of the switch statement? The expression must always execute the result. So it gives some critical result, and the case label must be constant and unique. So for example, case 1, next statement should not be a case 1. Okay, if it is a unique constant 1 2 3 4 likewise, well, so not need to be give all case 1 case 1 case 1 case 1, that is not available, do no duplications. Okay, that's a constant. The label, class label should be constant and unique label. Each and a class label should be unique name. Okay, not different name. You should be case 1, case 2, case 3, case A, case B, case 3, like case C. We can't write case A, case A. That is not possible and all. So that is no duplications, no duplications. So here case label must end with colon, and break, every case consists of break statement. This is a syntax. Okay, this is syntax. No need to tell. They're not up. This is mandatory. So every case keyword must present it and with key break. Okay. Next, here the one default. So according to this one, only one default label there. Label means what? That is never condition is not satisfied. There is no cases. That the case the default statement will be executed. We can use nested. We can nested switches also acceptable. Look at this very simple example. We can enter the number. So enter the number, switch so num is a integer constant. So case is integer constant. So if we give suppose you give 7, so what will happen? Value is 7. Suppose your input is 8, what will print? Value is 8. If it is 9, 9. So suppose you print 10, what will happen? So it shows out of range. So this is not 7 or 8 or 9. So not in this. So no cases is found, no match case found. So what happened? So default statement will be executed. What is the default statement? Out of range. So look at this 8. Suppose input is give input 8. What the output is? Value is 8. Suppose you give input is 6. What is out of range? Because of it's not in the not matched with case. Look at this very simple problem. You have to addition, subtraction, multiplication of given two numbers. Okay, we can take the numbers from the user and get the option. Get the option. Option 1 addition. Option 2 subtraction. Option 3 multiplication. Option 4 division. Suppose option 1, what will happen? Suppose you enter 1. So go to case 1. We get the number from the user. You can add it and print it. Next one, case 2, get the same way, get the number, two numbers x and y from the user. We calculate the subtraction number from a max y. We can print the set value. Likewise, multiplication. So we get the same. We do the same thing and get the input from the user, and we can multiply and print this number. So I'll not like this. There are switch while options. So while options, if it is less than 14, what happened? This is an invalid option. Option is invalid. So we can say that we can go extra condition also. We can add it. Option should be 1 to 4. Okay, 1 to 4. So that means of equal to that is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 4. This is a condition. So that only the condition particular for loop will be particular switch case will be executed. So see the condition then. Look at this. The print last one is the division. Next. So what's the default? So if we not among the character cases 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is option is 5. What happened? This is incorrect option. So we can find the print, press some key to continue. Then we can break the statement. Simple. So this is an infinitive loop. It will executed until get the end. Next one is see the fast statement string. I already told you now the character constant. So whatever character constant we can is available. See the strength case allow the string, hello there, a string little pun, just for case one, case space dot comma comma question mark semicolon colon like this. So here put the character and we print the value, for example according to this. Okay, this is case one, you can try this. See this, what will the output of this one? Case one, hello there strange little and planet. Okay, the nested switch. This inner switch embedded with the switch within the switch segment. This is called nested switch segment. See the simple example. See two switches A, okay, switch B, A and B. So there are, see, look at this. There are school computer science department, department of commerce, department of purchasing, which selection. So go to this again. What happened? So inside this, choose the department, either purchasing or commerce, and if it's according to this, the code will be executed. So if it is case one, is commerce department will be executed, and case two is the purchasing is executed. See output of this one, we can make it like this according to decisions. So either you choose School of Computing Science or School of Business or School of Engineering, like this. You can, according to this, we're going to the I suppose I choose the business school. According to, there are two departments under the business school. One department, one is department commerce, department purchasing. These two departments falling under the business school. So we can, among this, we can, which one is take, either commerce or purchasing. Just for simple study, there are password. I given a username password just for user credentials. I need a username and some ID or password. I given ID is 500, password is 000. So then if both are is matches, then particular statement data diagram program. Otherwise, the program is incorrect passenger. That's all. That is incorrect password. So if given input is ID is 500, you can change yourself. 500 000 is password and ID is 500 and the password is 123. So you see, password is 000, not one. So 123. So it's incorrect password. Like same ID is 500, but here wrong ID. So incorrect ID. Simple. Next, unconditional statement. Go to statement. Go to label and label, that's all. So particular wherever you want to go, just to give the label and the label name on the place that a particular position, particular statement will be executed. So that is a folder. Go to label. See the syntax. Go to label, label or label. There are syntax, two syntaxes available. Either we can put the label or after the code go to statement or before the go to statement. So like a loop. So label is we can start from end or start from end or start, okay, starting point or ending point. According to the with label statement, we will give the label. So which label we want to transfer the control or transfer the, we can decide. Go to statement, unconditional jump statement. The most of programs mhm, uh, concerned about the code is tendency to the render programs unreadable code. So because for example, let's look at this loop one. So x plus one. So go to the loop one. This is what happened. So it may be confusing for example, not wise decision. It may confuse. So advice to avoid the programming require code to, if used wisely, can be benefit from the narrow set of situations, such as jumping out the set of neatly nested loops. For normal loop, okay, but if you nested loop, this may create some problem. The flow will be different and the ratio will be different, everything different. See the example of jumping code statement. Skip the loop and loop is capital L loop is a loop code to and label name. So where is code there? Say previously do. So is executed up to for 10 to 9 times. Okay. Next go to for addition statements. Like you see here, act as a loop, normal looping statement, but the anti-conditional looping statement. Next return. Return also is unconditional looping statement. That is not almost conditional statement. Unconditional control statement is the correct word. Not maybe sometimes we can't use return, especially in functions. Mm, for example, you have to find this argument number passed or not. Just we supply the integer number. We have whether we check is the prime or array. So if we check this, and this is the formula for computing the prime or array number is prime or not. So given input 7 is a prime number. Okay, divisible only by the number only, 7 only. So it is a prime number. Next, so argument passed and the return value. Actually, exit statement, very important statement. This is whenever using in the standard library, stdab. Some does not needed, some compiler can execute it. That is means as the abnormal termination from the program. It is executed, not executed by the program. This is the exit, the proper exit way. This is a system call. This is a call just a system. Ask the system to call to the services. That is called exit. The program is terminated here. That's all. The exit. Uh, these are reference books. Refer. One is a complete reference by Gerber Shield. Program Anchisi by Palakursami. And there's programming language printed and web references. Chief was so many is available. You can feel free to ask any questions from me. My email ID is given here. And thank you guys.